Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Redmi Note 11 Pro to an Android device. You need to begin by accessing Play Store on both of them and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to continue, do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Redmi and receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then choose Close this window and go back to Redmi. On it, select all of those categories at the top and in them click on those type of dots. This way you will choose all of your files from selected category. You can also just tap on the chosen ones. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to use QR code, tap on this scanning icon on an Android above the user guide. Select while using the app or only this time. And point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, choose Input Key section instead. Type in all of those numbers correctly and hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!